DNA is located in the nucleus and is called nuclear DNA. Nuclear DNA is the most specific DNA that codes the genetic fate of that individual. A small amount of DNA can also be found in the mitochondria, where it is called mitochondrial DNA or mtDNA. Humans are diploid organisms, which means they have 2 copies of each chromosome, one from mom and one from dad. People typically have 23 pairs of chromosomes. During digestion, DNA is broken down into its component nucleic acids. The human digestive system breaks down complex food molecules into simpler forms that can be absorbed by the body. The enzyme nuclease of pancreatic juice converts the DNA into nucleotides. The nucleotides are then digested further by nucleotidases of intestinal juice to form nucleosides. DNA is a complex molecule that contains genetic information. It's present in all living organisms, including the food we eat. Chopping, DNA is chopped up into its component nucleic acids. Digesting, pancreatic and intestinal juices digest the DNA. The enzyme nuclease of pancreatic juice converts the DNA into nucleotides. The nucleotides are then digested further by nucleotidases of intestinal juice to form nucleosides. Absorbing, the small constituents, amino acids and nucleic acids, are absorbed and distributed to various parts of the body through the circulation system. The bacteria produce restriction enzymes but protect their own DNA by altering their own recognition sequences, typically by attaching methyl molecules to nucleotides in the recognition sequences and then relying on the ability of the restriction enzymes to recognize and cleave only unmethylated recognition sequences. It inserts its DNA into the bacterial cell so that it might be replicated. The restriction enzyme prevents replication of the phage DNA by cutting it into many pieces.